three, four. 1, 2, 3. 너 그래 너 요새 너 조금 이상해졌어. 자꾸만 시도 때도 없이 시무룩하고 고민이 생겼니.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Rukhsar and I basically create videos on nails, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys cloud nail art with pink and blue color combination. I literally loved creating this particular design as I have done it on my sister's nail and she really liked it. I hope you guys will also love it, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and join the family for more videos like this. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. Keep watching.
Hey guys, so first I'm going to mix two different shades of blue to achieve the color I want, and then I'm going to apply it on her extended nails, which I have done using pink hard gel. On the first nail guys, I'm applying this blue shade on the side of nail. Here I'm trying to cover the half nail and blend it nicely. And on second nail guys, I'm applying it on the top of nail, and again I'm going to cover half nail with this blue shade. Also guys, I will be blending it properly so that no harsh line will be visible. Once I'm done with my first coat, I'm going to cure it, and then again I'm going to apply the second coat as I want a little darker shade for this particular design which I'm going to create. Yeah, next guys, on the same nail I am taking white nail paint to make clouds, and for that I'm placing 3 dots with the help of dotting tool, and then going to blend it with a nail brush so that my clouds will look proper. On one nail I am going to create 3 clouds and going to place some dots for the look I want. Now guys, on her pinky nail I'm going to cover half nail with the darker shade of pink, and also I'm going to apply multiple layers so that I can achieve the darker shade. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to create clouds in the same way I have created on last nail. So I will quickly go ahead and complete this design. Next guys, on her ring finger I'm going to apply the lighter shade of pink. Once I'm done curing it, I will be taking pink shimmer and going to apply it all over her nail so that I can achieve the shiny look. On her last nail guys, first I'm applying the builder gel, and then on top of it I'm going to apply the glitter. I am covering half nail with this glitter, and then I will cure it properly. The last step guys is to apply the top coat, which I will quickly go ahead and apply it on all her nails. This is the final look guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and join the family. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.